The thing is, we really haven't cooled off that much. Still 83 Knoxville, 82 Maryville, Oak Ridge, and Loudon. And man, when you've got a heat index of 90 degrees at 11:18 at night, that's pretty sticky. 88 is what it feels like in Maryville and 87 in Tellico Plains. There have been a few random pop-up showers out there this evening. Not a whole lot, and don't expect a whole lot through the evening. Could there be one or two? Yes, like last night, not expecting that. Get a little bit closer in, you can see one. There's right north of 411 there, east of the Sevierville area, moving into extreme western sections of Sevier County. One near Friendsville as well, about to cross over into Loudoun County. So yes, you may hear a random downpour at times, like the one over Douglas Lake there southeast of Dandridge. That would be about it, though. Otherwise, just a muggy start. Low tomorrow, and tomorrow afternoon's pretty close to what we saw today. Low 90s with a couple of mid 90s, but there's so much humidity. So like today, we're talking triple digit heat index values, 105 or greater for some spots, maybe as high as 113 in Spring City. So heat advisory in effect for a majority of the area. That's why we're staying weather aware. Increased risk for heat-related illnesses, a high risk actually. What this means is if you are not taking the heat precautions, you're not taking the breaks, you're not staying hydrated, and you're doing exertive work outside, basically between 1 p.m. and 5 p.m., you are susceptible to heat exhaustion or heat stroke. So just please don't do it if at all possible. Take the breaks and the precautions. Now, it's a quiet start tomorrow morning, but as early as midday, we could have a few storms already developing over the mountains, portions of the plateau. Better bet's going to be mid to late afternoon, and these storms are going to be very slow moving, which for me is going to say a couple of things. There's a lot of moisture in the air. When they're moving that slowly, you're going to get a lot of rain in a short amount of time, and they basically have to rain themselves out. So we could be talking about some isolated flooding in some areas. And a couple of these storms could actually linger to about this time tomorrow night. That wouldn't surprise me at all. So a low risk, everybody has that opportunity for seeing some flash flooding tomorrow. Will everybody? Absolutely not, but everybody has a chance to see it as we go through the day tomorrow. Actually, increased rain opportunities for Thursday into Friday as a cold front pushes into the area. That front does go farther south of us as we get into the weekend, but there's still enough moisture and instability. We'll see some additional pop-up showers and storms through the weekend. Not what I'm expecting for Thursday and Friday, but it could impact some outdoor plans a little bit later in the day, Saturday into Sunday. But again, it's not a total washout. The main thing we're going to notice from this is not a fall-like cold front, okay? We're not going to be seeing temperatures in the 50s at night. But we're going from low 90s to low 80s on Sunday and some mid 60s by Monday morning. That's a pretty substantial change. That's something I'm looking forward to after this heat stretch that we've been in. Plus, some areas still need some rain.